Thank you for your interest in our current out position. In this following video, we're going to show you how to complete a short, simple application in order for you to be an eligible candidate for our current out position. So please watch this video till the end so you go ahead and submit it correctly. Okay, so it's very easy for our email survey processing position. You're simply going to have to submit this short application, okay, and it's very simple, very easy to do. Once you reach this page here, okay, you're going to go ahead and click on Join Now, and it's going to ask you to create your account. Okay, now this is a important account because you're going to be able to manage your application and you're going to be able to see the process of it and etc. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and provide your best email address, and then you're going to go ahead and agree and click sign up. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be redirected to another page, and a hiring manager will contact you as soon as possible and explain to you a lot more about it, give you more information about this position, and so on. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.